In a thrilling display of talent during the recent MTN 8 final, Orlando Pirates young forward Relebohile Mofokeng stole the spotlight, helping his team secure a 3-1 victory over Stellenbosch. This triumph marks an unprecedented achievement as the Pirates become the first team in Premier Soccer League history to clinch 3 consecutive titles in this prestigious competition. At just 19 years old, Mofokeng has quickly established himself as a rising star in South African football. He previously captured attention by scoring the winning goal in the Nedbank Cup final against Mamelodi Sundowns and continued his impressive form by netting in the dying moments of the MTN 8 final. His 96-minute goal effectively sealed the victory for the Buccaneers, following a controversial late strike from Stellenbosch's Sekgofatso Mabaso. Since his promotion to the senior squad in July 2023, Mofokeng has made a remarkable impact, racking up 51 appearances and earning the title of Young Player of the Season for the 2023-2024 with 9 goals and 10 assists to his name. He is poised for a bright future, particularly as he approaches his 20th birthday on October 23. While national team coach Hugo Bross faces selection challenges with the absence of Talent Mbata in recent fixtures against Congo, he's expected to lean heavily on Orlando Pirates players for his upcoming squad. Goalkeeper Sipho Chaine, who started against South Sudan, remains a reliable backup option, and a 24-year-old defender Thabiso Sisane has emerged as a key player for both Pirates and potentially for Bafana Bafana. Mofokeng's rise signals a promising future for both his club and South Africa. Alongside him, promising talents like left-footed midfielder Patrick Masangwanyi and central defender Kosinathi Sibisi are also vying for national team recognition. New signing Deanna van Rooyen adds further depth to the squad, while fellow players Evidence Makgopa and Sekgofatso Mabatso are working diligently to earn their own national call-ups. As the football landscape shifts, all eyes will be on Mofokeng and his Orlando Pirates teammates as they continue to make their mark both in domestic competitions and the international stage. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.